Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Today I'm making an easy recipe that's great for these days when you're sick or you just want a little comfort food. There have been a lot of sick people lately, and I'm battling a sore throat as I do this video. So I figured this delicious, simple recipe may help some of you who need something easy to make while you're battling this illness. All you need is some rice, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, chicken broth, but I'm using chicken based, which will flavor the water like chicken broth. And if you don't have either, you can just use water, and 1 tablespoon of butter. This glass equals 2 cups, so I'm pouring 2 cups of water into my pot. I have the heat on medium high. Add in the butter and 1 tablespoon of chicken base. Now if you're using broth, you would just use 1 cup of broth and 1 cup of water. Heat that until it starts to boil. Then add in 1 cup of rice. And if you're using brown rice or a different type of rice, just go by the package directions. Give it a stir, place the lid on the pot, and turn the heat down to low. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the water is mostly absorbed. While that is cooking, I'm going to mix the cream of chicken soup and 1 can of water together, and I'm whisking it to get out any lumps. Okay, it looks like the rice is done, so I'm going to pour the cream of chicken soup in. I'm going to mix it all together, and I'm going to place the lid back on the pot and let it cook another 10 minutes. And if you want it to be thicker, then add a little less water. I like mine to be more soupy, so I do a can of water. It will thicken as it cools. I usually make a big batch of this if we're sick, and I put the leftovers in the fridge, and it will thicken in the fridge. When I reheat it, I just add a little water. You want to salt and pepper it to taste, and you can add other seasonings to this, but I like to keep it bland, and we can season it however we want in our bowls. This is a very easy recipe to make. It can also be made with instant rice, although I never use instant rice, but you could just make the rice and follow the steps after the rice is made. And that's all there is to it, a good warm soup for sick days or just these cold winter days. Don't forget to check out the Lake Hill City Birds on Friday. It will be a short of the red-bellied woodpecker. We have a few of those living in our backyard trees. Very, very handsome bird. Thanks for watching and have a very blessed day.